So now I am going to find R1 and R2, but here it is R1 square and R2 square. What can I do for finding R1 and R2? But according to formula I have to find R1 and R2. What I can do? Taking the square root. Very good, very good. Taking the square root. So, before that, what I have to do means, before removing these squares, I have to assume a thing which I have given here itself. Let P be the point at a large distance R. Okay. So, for R very much greater than A. For R very much greater than A, what I have to do? R1 square equal to, now I am going to take this R square outside. Okay. For this assumption, with this assumption, now I am going to proceed by derivation. If R is very much greater than this distance A. Okay. So R1 square equal to, taking R square outside, can you say how this equation will change? If I take R square outside, 1 plus, very good, A square by R square, minus, minus 2A, minus 2A, what will happen, this 2A R by R square, this square and this R will get cancelled, am I right? So straight away I am writing it as 2A by R, okay? Hope it's clear for you, okay? So now I am going to neglect this A square by R square term, since if I am taking square, it will become very small. If I take square of this A square by R square, if I calculate this value will be very small. So I am neglecting this A square by R square and I am going to retain my first order terms alone. Okay? You write here, retaining first order terms alone. And neglecting A square by R square, since the value will be small if we square it. So by neglecting this term, I am going to write the same equation. So it will be R1 square equal to R square into 1 minus 2A by R cos theta. So similarly, can I write now for R2 square also? Okay, no need to derive this and all. Straight away I am writing with sign change. Okay. R2 square equal to R square into 1 plus 2A by R cos theta. So we are having our R1 square and R2 square here. Now we can take the squares outside. Okay, by taking square root. The same equation will change as R1 is equal to R, but here if you see, for this 1 minus 2A by R cos theta, there will be no power 2, am I right? For this R1 there will be square, for R there will be square, power of 2 is there, but here if you notice there will be no power. So instead of writing it as square root, can I write it as 1 by 2? Instead of writing inside square root, I am writing as 1 by 2. Power is 1 by 2. Both are same. 1 minus 2A by R cos theta, power is 1 by 2. It means that we took square for this thing alone. 1 minus 2a by r cos theta. Okay. The same thing I am writing for r2 square also. If I take square root, it will be r2 is equal to r into 1 plus 2a by r cos theta 1 by 2. Instead of putting square, I am writing it as 1 by 2. Okay. Now what I am going to do means, I am going to apply binomial theorem. Okay. According to binomial theorem, we know 1 plus x power n equal to 1 plus nx. We are going to apply this formula. Okay. So here 1 plus x power n. Here also 1 plus x power n. Here n is 1 by 2. Okay. Here n is 1 by 2. That how we are going to write? We are going to write as 1 plus nx. But if minus is coming, instead of plus you can write it as minus. No worries. So I am taking this term alone. 1 minus 2a by r cos theta power 1 by 2. This is 1 plus x power n. Okay, instead of plus here minus is there. That we can do while writing. We can take care of it. That is equal to 1. If you see it's plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into, if you see instead of x here, minus 2a by r cos theta. So what I can do now? Can I cancel this 2's? So it will be 1 minus a by r cos theta. Sorry. Oh, you're right. Afterwards we can. You can do it. So a small change. Now I am going to write 1 by r1. Can you say what will be our 1 by r1? It will be 1 by r into 1 minus 2a by r into cos theta power minus 1 by 2. Very good. Then what will be my 1 by r2? It is 1 by r into 1 plus 2a by r cos theta power minus 1 by 2. Now we have arrived our 1 by r1 and 1 by r2. Okay. So the only thing we have to simplify this one. That's all. Okay. So now only we have to apply binomial theorem. Okay. So now by using binomial theorem, I am going to simplify 1 minus 2a by r cos theta power minus 1 by 2. So Ashwin, can you say what will be the answer if I apply binomial theorem? So it will be 1. Here n is minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2 into what will be my x? Here it is minus 2a by r cos theta. This minus and minus will become plus. Am I right? So it will be, this 2 and 2 will also get cancelled. So here it will be plus 1 plus a by r cos theta. Can you understand? Yes. 1 plus nx. So 1 plus n is minus 1 by 2 into x is minus 2a by r cos theta. Minus into minus, according to algebra it will become plus. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it's a by r cos theta. Similarly, I am going to write for 1 plus 2a by r cos theta also. Niranjan, can you say the answer?
1 plus a by r cos theta.
N is minus 1 by 2 into x is 2a by r cos.
Minus a by r cos theta.
Can I cancel these two? So my answer will be 1 minus A by R cos theta. So we found out, we simplified these both terms. So let me apply here in this 1 by R1 and 1 by R2. If you see here, you can notice 1 by R1 and 1 by R2. We simplified these terms and we are going to substitute, instead of this term we are going to substitute that. Okay. So 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R into, can I take this 1 by R at the same time inside here in this equation? 1 by R I am taking here inside. If you want, I am taking, otherwise I am just writing step by step. Okay, I am writing it as step by step. 1 by R into 1 plus A by R cos theta. So, in my next step, I am taking this 1 by R inside. So, it will be 1 by R plus A by R square cos theta. Okay. Similarly, if I write for 1 by R2, 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R into 1 minus A by R cos theta. So, taking 1 by R inside, it will be 1 by R minus A by R square cos theta. At the end, we find out our 1 by R1 and 1 by R2. Now, we have to do, according to the formula, we have to do 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. That's all. Okay. See, if I do 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, this 1 by R and that 1 by R will get, otherwise I am writing 1 by R plus A by R square cos theta minus, I am writing for 1 by R2, 1 by R, minus into minus it will become plus this. So can I cancel this both terms, 1 by R and minus 1 by R? Plus A by R square, here also plus A by R square, what it will be? Yes, very good. 2A by R square cos theta. So when we sum up the potentials, what is our equation? B is equal to KQ into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Am I right? This was our equation at the initial time. Am I right? So just now I am going to substitute this value KQ into 2A cos theta by R square. What is our Q into 2A? B. Very good. So B equal to K into P cos theta by R square. This is our final equation. We arrived at our final equation. This is the electric potential due to a dipole at a point P. Okay. So, is it clear for everyone till here?